Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The name of the channel is Logical Stock. We're gonna talk logical views about the particular stock. Today we will talk about the Twitter, which had a bad earning. I think the earning was good, but the issue was like the time spent by the users are like gone down drastically. So that's why it fell. Uh, if you go on the 1 hour chart frame, it's taking a support from this area 5540 area, which acted as a support earlier as well, and it acted as a resistance earlier. So now currently I would say the Twitter is on the no trading zone, because once Twitter fell, like kind of falls from this 53 levels, the next stop would be about 48 levels, $48. So, but it looks like because it's a major support area, it looks like it gonna hold that level, and it can bounce to the $59 probably next week. Let's see on the smaller time frame how does it work. So it kind of fell like after hours, like, and then it continually fell, but it was holding the area. So now let's look at the another stock. Another stock which we can discuss is Billi. If you see, this is Billi on a daily time frame, right? On a daily time frame, if you can see, is taking a good support area from this trend line, and it facing a big resistance on this trend line. So now if you go on a smaller time frame, for like a 1 hour time frame, you can see here, so the chances of Billy to come to this level, which is $100 is pretty much high for the next week. Looks like it, because it's always taking, if you see here, is take the support and then fell, and then it again taking the support, and now it's gonna downward movements. Okay, so that means it looks like it can fail. Okay, so let's me just kind of adjust this trend line a little bit, just to kind of make it perfectly along with the smaller time frame. See here, this is like a nicer trend line. Now uh before it comes like this one, like, let me see, this area can act as a good support, which is 106 level. Okay, this has acted as a good resistance earlier, and when it worked as a resistance, it took a bit of like a volume to cross that resistance area. So it might currently is standing at 110, 110, and now it can go to the 107 area, and if that 107 area is broken, you can expect a 103 for the Billy. But what can happen is, like, once the, if you see here, it's kind of forming like double top pattern. So after 103, there are high chances that it can fall further down if it breaks the trend line, or it might go again for the next channel. You never know, because it's all about the price action, how the stocks will react. So we will come to know about that one probably next week, right? We cannot say that okay, it's gonna fall because it's falling up, it's making a pattern. No, it won't work like that. So this is for the Billy. Now let's see how the Billies, if there is a support for the Billy at this level. So let's see. If you go further down, okay, if you go further down on a 1 hour chart frame, this is a good support area. Okay, in the past, if you see here, it did acted as a good, like a resistance, and then it crossed it, came back, tested again. So this will act as a good resistance area, in the previously. Now you can expect that this area, which is 91, can act as a good support area if the Billy makes the downward movements. So first target will be like 107, 102, and after that one, it might take a pause on this area, because It's did take some support earlier, like a couple of days ago, couple of weeks ago, I would say. So first target will be like 107, 107, then 103, 99, and 90. That would be the target. On the upper side, your target would be 120. If it comes here, it can bounce from here, so you will get the resistance at this point, which is 115. If you see here as well, this is on a good, this is taking a good support from uh 7th of April. So from here it can bounce to again to this area, which is here, which is 115. So from 110 to 115 is very likely possible. uh, and then if it goes to 115, 124 will be there probably next week or two, right? So it all depends. If the market is bullish, then the chances of his ability to go up from 110 to 115, and then from 115 to the 124 is pretty much high. Before 124, it might take a pause around 117, might, because it might not take it because here it was a big bearish candle. Let's see on the small time frame how does it worked. See here, it was just took only two candles, 250 minutes candle to fall from 120 to the 115. So it looks like it this support which was provided by the on 23rd April is already been broken. So there are high chances that it will go to the 124 level if it market is bullish and Billy decided to go up. Otherwise, you can expect the Billy to come to the first to the 107 level, and after the 107 you can expect 102, 98, and 90 in the coming days if the market is not bullish and Billy decided to go down. So that's everything for you guys. I had given two stocks, Twitter and Billy. If you like the channels, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and give a comment or any other stocks which you would like to see. This is for the next week. So good luck and best of luck. Bye.